Hello kids. Let's trace capital BC to using only two colors.
Sky blue color, brown color, A. A is for apricot. B. B is for butterfly. C. C is for carrot. D. D is for drum. E. E is for elephant. F. F is for fish. G. G is for giraffe. H. H is for hen. I. I is for ice cream. J. J is for joker. K. K is for kite. L. L is for lemon. M. M is for monkey. N. N is for nest. O. O is for orange. P. P is for parrot. Q. Q is for queen. R. R is for rabbit. S. S is for sunflower. T. T is for tomato. U is for umbrella. V. V is for van. W. W is for watch. X. X is for xylophone. Y. Y is for yellow. Z. Z is for zebra. A. B. C. D. E. F. G. H. I. J. K. L. M. N. O. P. Q. R. S. T. U. V. W. X. Y. Z.